Okay, today I'm going to show you how to complete an electronic job sheet using FieldNet. FieldNet's an app for field team members which complements Flobot. So first things first, we're going to load up FieldNet and sign in. If you're a field team member, it allows you to view your schedule, view jobs you've completed, view your payments if you're working as a subcontractor. It also allows you to complete electronic job sheets for jobs you're working on. So once you signed into FieldNet, office users in Flobot, the main system, can track your location, see when you're en route to a job, and see which stages of the job you've completed in real time. It means the office always knows what's happening on a job, and also means you don't have to keep checking back with the office. Your schedule's always updated with the latest information, even if there's a last minute change. So I can pick my schedule up from the menu on the left here, or I can pick it up using this icon on the top right. So as you can see, this is my schedule. It's color coded depending on where we are with the job. So the darker blue tiles are for jobs I've completed, light blue tiles are for jobs that I haven't attended yet and signed into, and if I've checked into a job and haven't completed it yet, the tile will turn green. All of these tiles, the colours of the tiles, match the main system as well, so everyone in the office can also see what's happening with these colour codes as well. So I've gone into this job here, I can see what I'm supposed to be doing here. Client's boiler is leaking from the bottom slightly, please check and repair if possible. And I can also see the address that I'm supposed to go to. There's also some notes on here as well. So this customer here is hard of hearing, so please knock loudly as the customer is hard of hearing. So I'm going to first of all tell the system that I'm en route to this job. So I click here. Now what you can do if your company is set up an SMS system, that allows you to send a text to the customer when that en route button is pressed, and it lets them know exactly where the engineer is and how long they're going to be. You can switch this on or off in your settings, so you don't have to update the location if you don't want to, and it will just tell the system where you are. So I'm en route to this job now. I've arrived at the premises, I'm going to check in. So I've now checked into this appointment, and you can see here that my checked in status has gone green on the job. I complete the work, the customer's happy hopefully, check out of the job. Now I can see that my menu's changed here, I've got more options, and also my banner here has gone dark blue. So now I can create an e-job sheet to let the system know what's happened today. Here we can scroll down on my form. This is one I've done earlier here, so you can see, check the pumps, one valve missing, replaced and tested, working all okay. And then we could just add more notes to that. The good thing about this system is that even if your internet connection goes down, it will remember what you've written, so you don't have to worry about losing all of the stuff that you've typed in. If there's any follow-on work, you can put that here as well, such as I recommend a service. If you do put a follow-on job or a recommendation in here, this will actually be fed over to the office team and will actually create a task for them to get in touch with the customer to follow up on the work that you've said that needs to be done. So recommend a service in the near future. And this will also then allow me to put a date in as well. So when do I think this should be done by? Well, I think we'll do this within a month. So we'll pick December the 18th. Okay, the next question is, am I able to obtain a job sheet for this? Yes or no? I can, so the customer can sign. I'm also going to sign this job sheet as well as the engineer to let the system know that I've done everything required for me as well. Now I can submit this form. And now my job sheet has been successfully completed. If I go back into my schedule, you'll now see that because I've signed off that job, it's turned dark blue in the schedule as well. So that means the job is completed and done. Now the office can view that job sheet and send it out to the customer, or if you set it up, that will automatically go to the customer as a PDF as well.